Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable noise suppression in Windows 11. First method is enable noise suppression. Second method is disable noise suppression. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.